subscribers and counting. Thank you all so much po. Grabe, sobrang salamat po. Last week, 100 subscribers. Right now, as I'm filming this, we are already 300 and counting. So I wanted to thank you all. And since most of you are newly subscribed to this channel, hi, my name is Mellow, and I post videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates every time we upload a new video. Last week I have shared with you succulent tips, especially for beginners. Now, napahapyawan natin doon on how to water your succulents. But this time, in this video, we will be discussing about it more in detail. So I'll be sharing with you the tips that I do to keep my succulents alive, and hopefully in the future, in your own little way, you can put your own technique. So this will just serve as a guide for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before you even think of watering your plants, I wanted you to be reminded of 3 things that you have to consider. First is the #1 rule of thumb to keep the soil dry between waterings. Alright, so how would you know if the soil is dry? You can use these 3 options. First is the moisture meter, which you can purchase online via Shopee or Lazada or any garden shop. Second is what I do most, just feel the soil at least an inch deep dun sa soil. Just feel it. Second is to avoid watering the leaves of our succulents. Why? Because that's the main cause of sunburn po. Manonotice ninyo yung succulents ninyo kapag aksidente nyo, let's say, nabasa yung leaves, hindi nyo naman sinasadya, yung water niya nasa ibabaw lang ng leaves. Para lang siyang morning dew. So, pag in-expose nyo na siya sa sun, yun yung mas mabilis na makapagpa-sunburn sa kanila. So, as much as possible, you can use yung mga pandilig na parang may long nose, yung long nozzle, and then be as close to the roots. That's what I highly suggest. Hindi naman maiiwasang mabasa yung mga leaves eh. Lalo na kung meron kayong dish of succulents, yung meron ng may design, di ba? So, if ever na mabasa yun, you can simply blow it. Hipan nyo lang, dahan-dahan lang kasi minsan yung pumice, magaan siya, di ba? So, tumatalsik yan siya. Pag binugahan mo, lilipa rin yung mga pumice sa ibabaw. You can also use a straw para hipan yon, dahan-dahan lang. Or if you have the succulent blower, pipisil-pisilin nyo lang yon para mawala yung excess water. And the third one is to use a rainwater as much as possible kasi wala yung harmful chemicals. So, kung pwede kayong mag-imbak na kayo. Kung meron kayong malaking drum, mas maganda kasi by the time na schedule na ng succulents ninyo para diligan ninyo, you have enough rainwater. Kung wala namang rainwater, okay lang rin naman yung tap water. It's just so happen na dito sa Metro Manila, yung tubig natin kasi may chlorine. So what I do, the day before akong magdilig, kinahapunan pa lang, nag-iimbak na ako ng tubig, nire-ready ko na yon. Itinatabi ko lang siya 24 hours. So para kinabukasan, wala na yung chlorine niya, parang nag-subside na. Alright, now we can go ahead and proceed with our main topic. So, let's go first with overwatering. What are the signs that you are overwatering your succulents? The leaves are turning yellow, it's squishy, mushy, minsan parang nagba-brownish na siya. And then, the falling of leaves, pwedeng pa isa-isa, pwedeng madamihan. So, the explanation behind it is because since succulents have water on their body already, and then, na-overwater pa natin siya, nasisira natin yung water storage nila. There's this water storage cells doon sa body ng succulent. So, once na nasobrahan tayo sa tubig, masisira yung cells na yon. Thus, it causes the leaves to become yellow. It becomes mushy, squishy, nagiging parang gel-like. Sometimes, makikita nyo yung worst case scenario na yung rot or yung pagkabulok is yung brown na yung stem. And then, sometimes parang may pasa yung leaves. Ganon. So, what do we have to do in case ganon na yung sitwasyon? So, we have to remove every damaged part of that succulent. So, remove them from their pot and then clean the roots and then cut the damaged stem kung meron man, and then let it air dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we can put it back dun sa kanilang soil, but we have to remember that the soil must be dry. Okay? And then, don't water it yet. Okay? Antayin nating makarecover yung succulent na yon. How would we know? Antayin natin na magkaroon ng mild wrinkle yung babang part ng leaves. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, thirsty na yung succulent. So, it needs water na. Since nasobrahan nga natin siya ng tubig, hahayaan muna natin siyang makahinga, makarecover na siya yung kusang humingi ng tubig. So, that's when we water. Okay? So, we have to wait first for the leaves to form a mild wrinkle. Once that happens, now you can go ahead and water your succulents. Okay? Dapat water drip. So, diligan nyo siya dun sa paligid ng ugat. Okay? And then, once you see na tumutulo na yung tubig dun sa ilalim ng paso, that's what you call water drip. Ibig sabihin, naka-penetrate na yung water doon sa root system niya, pababa dun sa soil. So, moist na ulit yung soil niya. And then, let it be. And then, that's it. You can go ahead and follow up with another watering schedule kasabay ng mga ibang succulents niya. Okay? Pag-water po ng mga succulents, there are 2 things that we have to remember, gaya ng lagi kong pinapaalala sa mga newly purchased or newly potted na succulents. Unang dilig po sa kanila is only 10 to 20 ml or isang kutsara. And then, dun lang sa paligid or sa soil lang nila, huwag natin babasain yung kanilang leaves. Yung water drip method, ginagawa ko lang po yan dun sa mga well-established na succulents. Yung meaning to say, may isang buwan na pataas. Kasi, ibig sabihin, nakapag-form na sila ng new roots. So, kaya na nilang i-intake yung ganong amount of water. Okay, so next is underwatering. So, what are the signs na kulang sa tubig yung ating mga succulents? Madali lang po siyang makita. If you will notice, nagiging manipis or nagre-wrinkle yung ilalim na part ng mga leaves ng mga succulents ninyo, yun ay underwater. Ibig sabihin, uhaw na po sila. So, the explanation behind it is that since nakakalimutan natin silang diligan, yung root system nila, wala na silang makuhang water doon. So, what they do, since meron silang tubig sa katawan nila, uumpisahan nilang gamitin yung reserve water doon. So, mag-uumpisa yan doon sa ilalim ng dahon, kaya mapapansin ninyo, nagre-wrinkle at saka nagiging manipis yung dahon nila. So, what do we need to do kapag ganyan yung sitwasyon? So, you just have to water them. Ako, what I normally do, I water them every other day. Pero yung pagwa-water ko, dahan-dahan lang din muna. So, 10 to 20 ml for the first day. Okay? And then, the following day, skip muna. And then, sa susunod, medyo dadamihan ko na hanggang sa unti-unting makarecover yung pagka-wrinkle. Mawawala yung pagka-wrinkle niya. Basta, do it every other day. So, again, we just have to really keep an eye on our babies. That's it. Kasi doon natin may iwasan yung mga bagay na yan. So there you have it, Slayers. It's a wrap. So I hope my technique will be able to help you to keep your succulents healthy and alive. So until our next vlog, I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now. Happy planting!